All right, hello all. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be going over being able to debug a solution. And the reason I'm doing this is because last week I was found myself in a situation where I had implemented in my development environment. I had successfully completed a solution, and I then exported and imported that solution that was working in dev environment. And when I imported it into our production environment, it wasn't working. It gave a weird error that I didn't really recognize. And after some Googling and visiting several forums, I found no answers. Then, while exploring the app settings, I stumbled upon a monitor option. And clicking on it opened up a whole new world and quickly led me to the exact problem. Now, I've seen this monitor option before. I just really didn't pay any attention to it, and I just went exploring through it. Now, the monitor feature in Power Apps is an incredible resource for developers and app makers to analyze and troubleshoot their applications in real time. So, today I'm going to show you how it provides detailed insights into your app's behavior and performance. It helps you to understand how users interact with your app, and it helps you to pinpoint issues as they occur. So let's delve into it. So let me back out of this. So here I am. Here's my solution. It's a managed solution in my production environment, and here is my solution. And this is just my personal one. This is not my actual job, but I'm going to go through my travel requests application solution. So as I click into the solution and I go to my apps, and I come over here, and as you can see, when I click that, you see this up here, monitor. And so I went in and I clicked on monitor, and this came up, and it says connecting to session. So I'm going to let it connect real quick. And then you have this play published app that comes up, and this just kind of shows you all the different versions that you have, right? And this is the live version right now, the published version. So let me go back. So now I'm going to click here and it says play published version. So my app comes up, and let me go back here, and as you can see, it gave me this, I guess you can call it telemetry, right? Real time of what's going on as I click through my app. And last week it gave off some errors, not just success. And as you can see, when I click on any one of these, it gives you some details. So the way I was able to figure out my problem last week is there was a result that said failed, and when I clicked on failed, it led me exactly to the list that had the problem. So I was able to go to that list and make the changes, and my app started to work. Now the beautiful thing about this is right now this is being monitored. See, it says you are connecting to a monitor debug session. Those in this session will see events generated by the app, including any data. So whatever actions I take here, and as you can see, it has this recording here, this little red dot, and whatever actions I take here, it is going to spit out some details here. So let's go see how that works. So if I come here and let's say I do like a new request, and as you can see, I have a whole bunch of stuff, and there are some warnings here. So if I click on it, it gives you more details. It even leads you to the exact formula. So I can, if I come to my details, I can go to this control name, go to airfare cost, data card, the property name, and I can kind of look through that and see why it's spitting out a warning. And this can help you to even enhance your app and help you to improve upon your app. Now let's go through some of these other things. You have this invite. You can invite others to join you in like a debugging session. You can connect to a user, And when you connect to, you can connect to a user machine and see how through their actions, whatever issues they were having, you can help them walk through and kind of figure out that issue for them, and work with them. Um, so yeah, this is what I kind of figured out. So all of these different things, shows you the operation. My data source right here, when I clicked on this one, is the operation was get rows, and as you can see, the data source is travel request. It's in the on. So I have some type of get rows in my on start property. And so these are the kind of the details that it's giving you. So this helped me to figure out how to resolve the error that I was getting last week. So I just wanted to provide that and share that with you all so that you can kind of go through this issue yourself, and if you come through any problems with your solution. And this just doesn't work for solutions. If you have a Canvas app outside of a solution, you can still monitor that Canvas app. So it works both in a solution and also outside of a solution. So um, if you have any questions, leave me comments below. Let me know how you like this. Let me know if you do use this. Let me know, how it works for you and what you used it for, and how it's helped you. Let's um, communicate that. So anyway, hope this has been helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.